You know, there's this age-old saying, a woman's brain is a mysterious labyrinth. But what if I told you that the secret's hidden? Within this labyrinth hold the key to understanding everything. And I mean everything, from those puzzling relationship dynamics to those confusing behaviors that leave you scratching your head. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the intricate pathways of the female brain. We'll uncover shocking truths that challenge conventional wisdom and shed light on the hidden forces that drive female behavior. Get ready to have your mind blown as we decode the enigma that is the female brain. But first, my curious friend, allow me to introduce myself. I am your guide to the labyrinth. My mission, should you choose to accept it, is to lead you through the twists and turns of the female brain, unraveling its complexities, one fascinating discovery at a time. So grab your magnifying glass and your sense of adventure, because we're about to dive headfirst into the captivating realm of all things female brain. Just a quick heads up, this journey is not for the faint of heart. We'll be tackling controversial topics and challenging stereotypes along the way. If you're ready to confront the unknown and expand your understanding of the female brain, then let's begin. Are you ready for a groundbreaking revelation that challenges everything you thought you knew about men and women? Brace yourself, because the truth is both shocking and empowering. Men often struggle to remember anniversaries, while women effortlessly recall tiny details from years ago. You might brush it off as mere forgetfulness or a lack of effort on the part of men, but the reality is far more intriguing. It's not just about being thoughtful or caring. It's about the intricate design of our brains. You see, men's brains have a natural tendency to compartmentalize and prioritize tasks based on their perceived importance. For instance, when faced with multiple responsibilities, men's brains will naturally gravitate towards tasks that are urgent or directly related to their immediate goals. This can result in overlooking details such as remembering an anniversary, which may seem less pressing at the time. On the other hand, women's brains are wired to pay attention to contextual details and prioritize them alongside instrumental tasks. They excel at recognizing patterns, making connections, and considering the broader context. This means that even amidst a flurry of responsibilities, women's brains are adept at capturing and retaining information that might seem insignificant to others. As a result, women often possess an uncanny ability to recall past events, conversations, or observations that men might easily overlook. This isn't a case of men being uncaring or unthoughtful. It's a testament to the incredible power of the female brain and its unique ability to navigate the world in a way that men simply cannot. Next, let's tackle another puzzling phenomenon that has fascinated observers for centuries. Men's inclination to solve problems in silence versus women's habit of talking it out loud. At first glance, it might seem like a trivial difference, perhaps indicative of gender stereotypes. But when we delve deeper, we discover a profound truth rooted in the very architecture of our brains. You see, men's brains are wired for independent problem solving, often relying on logic and analytical thinking. When confronted with a challenge, men naturally gravitate towards a more solitary approach, finding solace in their own thoughts and working diligently in silence to find a solution. On the other hand, women's brains are wired to seek social support and collaboration when facing problems. They instinctively reach out to others, verbalizing their thoughts and feelings as they work through the complexities of the issue. This inherent difference in problem-solving approaches is not merely a product of socialization or cultural influence. It's deeply ingrained in the structure of our brains. Men's brains have specialized regions that are more active during independent problem-solving, while women's brains have networks that are more engaged when seeking social support. These distinct wiring patterns enable men and women to tackle challenges in a manner that is both efficient and effective, reflecting the remarkable adaptability and complexity of our brains. Prepare to be astounded by the surprising truth behind the age-old perception of male and female brains. Are women really better at multitasking than men? The answer is an absolute resounding yes. But it's not just about being better, it's about being fundamentally different. You see, women's brains possess a remarkable ability to seamlessly switch between tasks, effortlessly juggling multiple demands and priorities. This stems from the unique architecture of their brains, which are wired for efficiency and adaptability. The intricate network of neural connections allows women to rapidly shift focus from one task to another, seamlessly integrating various aspects of their lives. Men, on the other hand, are hardwired to specialize and focus intensely on a single task at a time. Their brains are geared towards deep concentration and laser-like precision, allowing them to excel in pursuits that demand undivided attention. This fundamental difference in brain wiring enables women to thrive in environments that require multitasking and adaptability, while men flourish in domains that prioritize focused expertise. But that's not all. There's a fascinating twist to this tale. Recent studies revealed that societal expectations and gender roles play a pivotal role in shaping these abilities. Yes, you heard me right. Society's perception of what is feminine or masculine significantly influences how our brains are wired to perform. It's not just about biology. It's about how we're raised, how we perceive ourselves, and how we're expected to behave. These external factors have a profound impact on the very essence of what it means to be a woman or a man, challenging conventional notions and opening up new frontiers in understanding the complexities of human nature. Next, get ready to explore a topic that has puzzled lovers and friends for ages. Why do women ask questions when men don't? Is it just a quirk of human interaction, or does it reveal something deeper about the intricacies of our brains? Brace yourself for the surprising truth. Women's brains are wired to seek clarification, understanding, and emotional connection through questions. This innate curiosity allows them to explore ideas, delve into topics, and engage in meaningful discussions. In contrast, men's brains are inclined to provide direct answers and solutions, often relying on logic and practicality. This difference in communication styles stems from the unique wiring of our brains, with women's brains having networks that are more active during social interactions, and men's brains having systems that are more engaged when problem solving. However, it's important to recognize that these tendencies are not absolute and can vary greatly among individuals. While some men may be more inclined to ask questions, others may still exhibit a preference for providing answers. Similarly, some women may display a greater propensity for directness in their communication style. Understanding these nuances can foster more effective communication and deeper connections in our personal and professional relationships. But our exploration doesn't end there. We still have more shocking revelations about the female brain to uncover. So stay tuned and join me as we continue our journey into the captivating realm of all things female brain. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves for the ultimate revelation that will forever change the way you view romantic relationships. Are women really more emotional than men? The answer, as with many things related to the brain, is a resounding maybe. But before you dismiss this idea as mere speculation, let me delve deeper into the fascinating insights provided by neuroscientists. Recent discoveries suggest that the female brain possesses a complex network of neural connections that facilitate rapid communication between different regions. This intricate web of pathways allows for efficient processing of emotional information, enabling women to perceive, interpret, and respond to subtle emotional cues with remarkable accuracy. On the other hand, men's brains have a more specialized network that prioritizes logical and analytical processing. This structural difference enables them to excel in areas that demand rational thinking and problem-solving abilities. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that these tendencies are not absolute, and individual variations exist within each gender. Many men are emotionally attuned and capable of navigating the complexities of social interactions, while some women demonstrate strong logical and analytical skills. Now get ready to explore a topic that has baffled many a lover. Why do women find themselves inexplicably drawn to dangerous men? Could it be a simple infatuation with risk? Or is there a deeper biological basis for this phenomenon? Prepare to be surprised as we uncover the fascinating insights provided by neuroscience. Studies show that women's brains are wired to seek novelty and stimulation, with certain regions lighting up in response to exciting or unpredictable experiences. This innate curiosity drives them to explore new possibilities and venture beyond the familiar. On the other hand, men's brains tend to favor routine and predictability, with some even displaying a heightened sensitivity to risk. These contrasting brain responses contribute to the allure of dangerous men for some women, as their brains are biologically predisposed to seek out and be intrigued by risk. However, it's essential to recognize that not all women are drawn to danger, and many men possess qualities that women find irresistible, despite not conforming to the stereotype of the dangerous man. Ultimately, human relationships are complex and influenced by a myriad of factors, including individual preferences, personal experiences, and social dynamics. There you have it, a captivating exploration of the female brain that challenges conventional wisdom and reveals the fascinating complexities of the female psyche. From the intriguing reasons behind seemingly simple observations to the profound implications for understanding women, we've delved deep into the labyrinth of the female brain, and uncovered shocking truths that defy expectations. Join me in celebrating the remarkable power and resilience of the female brain as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exhilarating journeys into the world of neuroscience.